already 100,000 crore market and wants to become bigger by going the FMCG way. The small fish of the gold and diamond business, branded jewelry players are with being elitist. Believe it or not, their new focus is the mass segment.
हॉलमार्क अभी पूरा इंडिया में मैंडेटरी नहीं हुआ, उसकी वजह से चाहे पुराने रिटेलर्स हैं जो भी हैं उनके नाम से खरीदते हैं, जबकि अग्नि जो है वो 100% हॉलमार्क है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप पूरा जैसे एफएमसीजी की तरह जैसे हमने इसको लॉन्च किया है, एक एक दुकान पे पहुंचाने का हमारा है।
The kind of premiums branded jewelry used to extract from the Indian market was large and obscene. Today what's really happened is branded jewelry has suddenly realized that surviving in a niche is a tough thing.
While currently branded players form only 13% of the Indian jewelry market, their share of the pie is growing fast. They've come a long way from a meager 4% they occupied in 2004. But will low-priced branded jewelry work in the Indian market? Oyster Bay and Ishit are two brands that have had to shut down after they entered this segment.
There are going to be a lot of such failures because this is a market that's traditionally behaved in some way. So there is going to be some amount of experimentation and there will definitely be more failures than successes.
आज की तारीख में 2400 से हम जो प्रोडक्ट हमारा कृष्णा का है तो कोई भी लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, तो जो बड़ा है रेशियो, ज्यादा ग्रोथ जो हुआ है वो लोअर में हुआ है।
With a predominantly young population, jewelry players are fast realizing that going mass is the only way to garner scale. Gone are the days of bulky, gaudy jewelry. Today's women are looking for light and affordable jewelry which traditional players are not equipped to cater to.
Jilly Signature is a new range of merchandise that we are bringing in, which is into the value proposition that we want to bring in. It's targeting especially at women who are in the bracket of 19, 20 to going up till 30, 35. The price range would start from 5,000 rupees onwards, going up till around 50,000.
गिफ्ट देने के लिए उनको एस्पिरेशन वैल्यू ज़्यादा चाहिए होती है, जबकि पैसे वो कम खर्चना चाहते हैं, तो उस पर्पस के लिए, गिफ्ट पर्पस के लिए ब्रांडेड ज्वेलरी, लो एंड ब्रांडेड ज्वेलरी इज गोइंग टू बूम डेफिनेटली.
The buying power of the mass segment has been hugely underestimated by jewelry makers. Brands that have opened stores in small towns in Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra have seen incredible growth. Agni, Kisna and Jilly have been successful in making themselves available to every eager consumer through the shop-and-shop format.
If you want to buy a piece of finger ring, I can buy a similar diamond ring and probably at similar rate which I would have probably bought a gold ring sometime back. And that parity has come into the picture. Therefore, these urbanization and the aspirations of people have now making people larger numbers shift towards diamonds.
Branded jewelry is aspirational and now affordable. Middle-income households couldn't have hoped for a better combination. And that desire for low-cost chic that's taking mass jewelry brands places, literally.